What is going on, people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho things. Today we're gonna be doing a recipe. This is one of the ways that I make dog tacos. In this case, we're gonna be using some teal that I had in packs of like one breast, so I consolidated all of those guys, and we're gonna be doing some dog tacos. So yeah, let's get going. I'll show you what I have. All right, so there's some tealio. So what's going to end up happening is that I'm going to cut the teal, put them in a bowl, and I'm going to marinate it. So let's go. So I'm going to be cutting these guys into taco size bites and removing just whatever little pieces of feather or silver skin that was still attached to the meat. I'm going to cut it, as I said, into little taco size. So this was some salt water, cold salt water for about 12 hours or so, just to get some of that gaminess out. Right, so this is gonna be my on-the-fly taco. So like this is something that I won't be able to marinate for like 12 hours. This is gonna be my fast go-to. So I'm gonna, as I'm putting them in, I'm gonna be calling ingredients. And the reason is behind I'm using the quantities that I'm using. So let's start with some salt. I happen to have some Himalayan pink salt laying around. So we're gonna use some of that, and we're gonna do a teaspoon of that. Teaspoon of Himalayan salt. It might seem not much, but I'll explain, because I'm also adding mixed taco seasoning. Mixed taco seasoning will also have a little bit of salt in it, so that will compensate for the amount of salt. We're gonna do a tablespoon of mixed taco seasoning. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half tablespoon of cumin. I'm gonna do 1/4 of tablespoon of chipotle powder, chipotle pepper powder. We'll do the same with chili powder. Same amount of paprika. And last but not least, this is my accelerated process here. It's gonna be 1 teaspoon of Montreal steak seasoning. I'm gonna also do 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and we're good to mix it. Now these will refrigerate until it's time to cook. Refrigerate this guy. While that is marinating, I'm gonna whip out a avocado cilantro mayonnaise. Not to be confused with an alioli. Alioli is something else. This is a mayonnaise based product. So what I'm using for this, since there's not that much people, it's just gonna be me, my mom, and Kristen. So it's gonna be mayonnaise. That is a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. It's there. One jalapeno, deseeded. 1 onion. Half of an avocado. Handful of cilantro. there. And square some lemon juice. We'll put some salt. We're gonna do some pepper. And we'll process it. Just making sure that the whole onion and the jalapeno are getting completely crushed. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more of the lemon juice in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the other half of the avocado. Missing something, so I'm just gonna add the other half of the avocado and a pinch more of salt. So let's put this guy completely out of here. Oops. There it goes. Avocado, more salt. And eat it. Alright, so something is missing, and I think it's the fact that it's such a small quantity. So I'm just gonna give it a touch of white vinegar. Just a touch of just regular distilled vinegar. Just to bring out the rest of the flavors out. I think that's gonna be, that's what's gonna do it right there. See? There it is. So I'm gonna refrigerate that as well and get it all ready for when the meat is cooked and ready for the tacos. So now we just wait until it's time to cook the tacos and plate them and eat them. So see you in a bit. Alright, it's time to cook this duck. So ooh, the smell. That smell, guys. That's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna have this little skillet here, and that's where we're gonna cook the meat to make the tacos. So let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna just dump a little bit of olive oil here. Alright, so it's time to set up everything, get everything ready, enjoy some tacos. Alrighty, so we are good to go here. So we're gonna need a bit of rice. So we're using flour tortilla, you can use corn tortillas. Just working with what we have in the house right now, so get us one of those. Some of the duck there. Some of the sauce. Those. Some little bit onions. Normally you want to go with like cotija cheese. We're gonna go another one here. Get some duck in there. Go. Same old deal. Sauce. A little bit of onion. Cheesy. Very good. Alright, time of the truth. See what's going to happen here. I have to put you guys in the track because I need both of my hands to do this. Woo! I love it. Let's see what the lady says. Let's see what the girls got to say about this.
Cilantro sauce is spot. It's really good. Meat, yeah. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. No, ven para acá, para acá. Now it's my mom's turn to try this. Prueba.
No bueno.
Well, so I guess everybody approved. Marilyn and Commodore were the first one to get in the kitchen as soon as I started cooking the meat. They were both just like, what's that? They both passed out sleeping and they got into the kitchen. But so that's an on the fly duck taco. Normally you want to marinate that overnight. Maybe like 8 hours will be a good starting point. But when you don't have that much time, this is a great recipe to follow. This is a way to like quickly get that duck to get some flavor. Now you cannot overcook the duck. If you overcook it, it's gonna get really tough. But there we go. We got simple recipe to make duck tacos, all wild caught ducks. This is just pieces that I had spread out through the freezer. So there we go. I'm gonna go down, finish to munch these. Thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. If you guys try these recipes and you try them, tweak them, do something differently, comment down below, let me know. And if there's another thing that you would like me to cook with duck, recipe wise, comment down below, let me know. Let's see what we can do. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna stuff my face with the thing. Thank you so very much. Pancho.